Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings. This saves time. Once inside, tap Notifications and Review Permissions so the app can actually mute alerts. Make sure your phone is unlocked and that you know whether you're on Android or iPhone because the next steps differ slightly. You're doing the essential setup and the first actionable step. Prepare the app and platform so the following changes take effect immediately. Don't skip this. Now mute the conversations that bother you. Long press any chat and choose mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Once done, open each group's info and disable custom notifications so group overrides stop. Make sure you also turn off conversation tones, vibrate, and pop-up notifications inside WhatsApp. These are common culprits. If you want fewer interruptions, combine in-app muting with disabling pop-ups because local settings can override system silence and keep sending sounds or banners if left enabled. Finish by controlling notifications at the system level so WhatsApp can't bypass your choices. On Android, go to App Info, Notifications, then turn off specific channels or block the app entirely. On iPhone, open Settings, Notifications, and disable Allow Notifications for WhatsApp. After you test, make sure the app is updated. If alerts persist, check battery optimization and background data, then reinstall as a last resort. If things still go wrong, reboot and verify account-level notification exemptions. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.